One sunny day, one little stick boy was walking in the park. He saw a butterfly and said, "Yay, I'm number one." Two happy friends. He met a stick girl, and now they were two. They danced and laughed. One, two, me and you. Three, and the puppy. A tiny puppy joined the run. Now they were three, having fun. Four, by the tree. They found a tree and sat on the floor. Then came a bird. Now they were four. Five, on a ride. A friend with a cycle came alive. He rang his bell. Now they were five. Six, and the balloons. 6 balloons flew up in the sky. The stick friends shouted, "Let's try to fly." 7 birds fly. 7 birds came flapping their wings. The stick friends clapped. What a happy thing! 8 colors to paint. They found a box with 8 bright paints, red, blue, green. No complaints. 9 singers sing. 9 stick singers sang so fine. They sang a song. We are number 9. In the parade, 10 stick friends marched in a line with balloons and music. It was party time. And that's how the stick friends learned to count from 1 to 10, the perfect amount.